If your neck feels tight on one side or your shoulder feels pinchy when you go overhead, your first rib could be the big limiter here. Here's a towel mobilization that you can help fix this in 60 seconds that you can do every single day to get that relief. All right, so your first step is grab a towel. It can be longer or just a basic hand towel. Loop it over the tight side. So let's say your right side, you're having some tightness on your neck, or your right shoulder is not able to lift overhead without having a pinchy feeling. Then I want you to take your opposite hand and place it on the front of the towel. Then I want you to take your same hand and grab the back of the towel. So it should look something like this. So once you get it over, I want you to pull it closer to that clavicle. And if you're having a pinchy feeling here, then I want you to stop and swap hands and try it this way first. But if not, then this is the best way to get the most pull and stretch. So I want you to pull down with both hands, and I want you to breathe. I want you to take a deep breath in, and I want you to blow out. Good. Do you feel a stretch going through there with just a breath? If you do, that's where you're at. But if not, then you can take a deep breath in, and then as you blow out, I want you to take your ear to the opposite shoulder as you blow out, and then bring it back. So do you feel the stretch there? If good, that's where you're at. So the third level to this would be taking a deep breath in, and then take your ear to your shoulder as you breathe out, and then tilt your chin up and down. So whichever one you feel a stretch, not sharp pain, that's where you're at, and that's where you want to hold for at least 5 to 6 breaths, okay? Going in and out, in and out. That's really going to help mobilize that first rib, get that clearance of that upper trap and scalene to get you a little bit better relief so your shoulders don't hike up and your scapula is able to move freely, and that tension on your neck allows you to be able to rotate your neck and side bend to side to side. So if this exercise helped you, I'm Alex Pannell with the Pannell Performance Group. I want you to give me a like, shoot me a comment of other exercises you may want to see or problems that you may be having. Thanks for watching.